Hi everybody, my name is Nomstar Kim K. Today, Kalafo. Kalafo is a founder of Tlailane Attorneys. They cover business, criminal, domestic, property,
and a whole lot more.
Today we're going to have a sit down with Kalafo and we're going to learn our rights and also the law with Tlailane Attorneys.
And this is Street Talk. Hi everybody, my name is Nomstar and I'm here with Kalafo Tlailane.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm alright, yourself.
I'm fine. Sure. I would like you to introduce yourself or umanye weta in, you know?
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
My name is Kalafo Tlailane. I'm an attorney of the High Court of South Africa, and I've been practicing for 7 months. And I used to play rugby, and then I went into the law field.
Wow, so you played rugby as well?
Yes, I did.
I see the body.
You see the body.
So now let's talk about now. Which part of law do you practice?
Okay, for most of the times I practice in a criminal court. I have a lot of criminal clients. That's where my client base is at. But there's other aspects of law that I concentrate on.
Okay.
So sort of like deceased estate.
Yes.
And civil matters, and RAF, and labor matters that go to the CCMA.
Ah, so it's a RAF.
It's a RAF.
Oh, what a blue it. No, client. So, tell me then. I know there's a lot of things about. So just tell me first, your background until you got to becoming a lawyer.
Okay. Well, basically what I did after high school was I played professional rugby and I got a degree in sports science.
Oh.
And after that, then I worked at the police for the government. And that's when I studied my LLB part-time. And then that's when I did my articles after that at 2 law firms, one in Midrand and one in Pretoria.
Yes. And then where are you situated? I'm
currently situated on Twewu Street in Mamelodi West in Pretoria. And that's where my office is based.
Go Twewu Street, Devil Street.
Devil Street, indeed.
Yes. And your address, King?
8491 Twewu Street, Section T.
Yes.
In Mamelodi West.
So cover criminal law? Yeah. Or cover that's the maintenance or cover?
That's the maintenance got cover.
Okay.
That's the divorce got cover.
Okay.
That's labor.
Okay.
That's civil matters.
Yeah.
Any civil matter is something I cover.
Okay. So now a topic that we can have, because I know a lot of things that you actually, you know, within this because you have a lot of things. I hear criminal, RAF, family law.
Yes.
Okay, a question here.
Yes.
Moto Ashu, you know, lately we have things more affecting, especially in relationships, where two people are in love and then and then when they break up, support, you'd find the woman utlaisa the guy a supporting one. And then you'd have this father a supporting one but not able to see one high. Is not allowed to abona one high go dating ba mukhiella. Abadumele atsene. But wa support to tsantsa ngwana skolo etse lo tsotlhe tseo. Okay. I want you then to tell us what rights does the father have?
Yes, basically in terms of the Child Act, the father has a right to see the child and have access to the child. And even if the parents are going through a divorce or not on speaking terms, the father still has the right to see the child and have interaction with the child and make sure that the child is growing up properly. Even if the father is not paying maintenance, he's got a right to access to the child. It shouldn't be a hindrance.
Yeah.
The things that they look at the best interest of the child, so that the child can have access to the father and develop properly.
So then how to fight then the powers he's not allowed to bona. What, because you know we all know, yes, I have rights, I have my rights, but what can he do then? Hore, ba mo dumelle, hore at least molao, at least a tle le mapolisanyana o ya beyang to those steps of then practicing his rights.
Yes, you can access the children's court in the magistrate court of Mwana Moteng, and then this is my child, and utazadi form from there on, and no, this is my child, and can you get access from my and offer the details of both parties and guy and everything.
Wow.
And it doesn't have to be a situation more Swanza ask mona or kill anything like that. So basically the father has equal rights as the mother.
Wow. So children's court, Mommy Lodi thing.
It's one street away from me.
Oh, my police station.
Yeah, my police station.
Okay.
There's a children's court where the best interests of the child are looked at. On all signing what's in family advocate and
okay.
Next to police station.
And then maybe a person okay, yeah, would you say go fill in the form or children's court, what? Do you do the consultations where people can sit down with you, almost take us through the steps of what to do? Do you do that?
Yes, we do that. The consultations are very important. That's the first step to get to know the client, know what guy, and sort of background they're high. In terms of for FICA regulations, we must find out that's all done, and then we can sit down and have tea or coffee or cappuccino for us to
or water. Okay. So let's say this father is supporting, and then Kana supporting, but he's got a good job. And then unyoko foster wanangwana, unyoko patela silo. Then what steps does then a mother have to say, oh, this man must support me? Because I understand motokonotla atele luena or atele di lawyer or a fight wanangwana, but asanse silo.
No, for sure.
So what steps can a mother then take? Abuto, he's got money.
For sure. No, konotla to the children's court, and then atele sort of idea how proof the father is earning, sort of like a pay slip. They'll issue that to the father or at least pay slip maybe bank records it's about 3 or 4 months. How much he can give as a stipend for the mother to support the child.
But then already pay sleepy. The pay sleepy is a father who
no court some another day.
Okay.
Or at least the pay slip is high.
Yes.
The bank records are high.
Oh, okay.
Of the previous 3 months or 4 months and so on. Or where he spends his money, expenditures and expenses.
Okay.
It's high. So Makono determine how much he can pay as maintenance for the mother.
Okay.
In order for the child to get the money.
Let's say I decided in this case, pay sleep. Moto like wow, today what's I saw, tomorrow what's the plan? The plan is high. Maybe transport skolo and then come wazama something come. But as a mother, this man is making money, but Hana the pay sleep, and there is no proof as a mother to show Kotori man ndato weta so anyone muto can support. How does a mother then go? What can she do then? That situation was non pay sleep.
Yeah, no, in those situations, mother in go police station, ali case or motona because maintenance becomes a criminal matter.
Oh,
has about maintenance, then it becomes a criminal matter, and then through the police they can subpoena the records that this guy was about delaying in terms of section 205 of the Criminal Procedure Act. At least the records are high and everything. Lalor o high lady assets are high and our movement actually and then from there on. So they can arrest the father, and it's an immediate arrest if her supporting one, and there's proof that her income from that. So it becomes a criminal matter. So he can be arrested on the spot.
So they can be arrested?
Yeah, they can be arrested. The father who's not paying for the maintenance or actuary.
And then, the man would be working pila, and how I realize the mom mama ngwana o ile court.
Yes.
And then onyaka musa asapote bana. Atwele mmereko so man. Because I know a lot of cases and we thought hore marabuto akatola mmereko wa hafa buto. Atlohele just because ba mmotsa hore a thomo support bana. So he's like company ka tlohele. What do we deal with that type of a character?
I think for most parts, for situation we have, it isn't much that the court can do. Or force the other thing or I will beg to go medical.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then like in a situation more there was a friend who was a doctor and left being practicing as a doctor, so that aska support and I mean it disadvantage on the same token. So there's no real winner in that situation. So but you know, if they leave employment for that, then it's nothing that much that the court can do. Yes,
Kalafo, thank you. There is a lot of questions. Domestic violence, domestic what support, so I know there's a lot of people, and they're saying, and so guys, Kalafo, I think you must leave us with your number, and then people then can call you, consult, find out other things that and maybe you can cover that better, especially with more information. So can you give us your number?
Yes, you can reach me on 072-298-9644. That's my business line, and then we can consult from there on.
Okay. And Ogotweu Street,
opposite to Lifestyle, opposite Flaga Cloud. So I'm on this busiest street in Mamelodi.
All right, thank you so much. We're gonna cover more stories. We're still going to meet with you on another show again and cover up more information. And guys, listen, if which topic you'd like us to then next time recover, you can still inbox me or cover this one, and I would love to hear more about this one. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks very much.